In this extra review, we're going to find the volume of prisms and cylinders. Again, we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 together, and you're going to do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. They are on the back of your half slip of paper. When you get done with 4, 5, and 6, make sure you check your answer with the key. So when finding volume, your first step, remember, is to identify the shape. So if we look at number 1, if we look at that shape, we know it is a prism. Look on your reference sheet. The formula for the volume of a prism is area of the base times the height. So in order to find the volume, we need to find those pieces. When you have kind of a rectangular prism, it doesn't really matter what you make the base. I'm going to go ahead and make, we'll make this guy the base. And it really does not matter when it's rectangular. Okay, so we're going to say this guy right here is our base. Okay? Well, that base is a rectangle, and the formula for area of a rectangle is just base times height. Well, the base of our base is 14, because if this piece is 14, right here, that means this piece is also going to be 14. The height of our base is 3. And all you have to do is just plug that into your calculator. You're going to do 14 times 3, which is 42. You have to remember that's not our answer, that's just the area of the base. Your second step is then to identify the height. Well, the height's what's connecting your two bases, and when it's a rectangular prism, we already multiplied 14 and 3 together. So we're done using those numbers. So you just have to look and see what other number did I not use yet, and that number is 9. So that's going to be your height. So your height's always kind of that third number that you haven't used yet. Now that we have our two pieces, we can go ahead and plug it into the volume formula. So our big B is 42, and our height is 9. So again, in your calculator, you just have to do 42 times 9, and you get 378. Also super important to make sure you label your answer. So, and this problem we're dealing with meters, so we're going to say meters cubed. We need to pause, but we're going to go ahead and go on to number 2. We go ahead and look at number 2. Again, we're going to identify the shape, and our shape is a prism. So we're going to write down the formula. Look off your formula sheet. The volume of a prism is area of the base times the height. Whenever you have a triangle shape, so you notice right here we have a triangle. That means your base is a triangle. You're going to use that triangle to find your big B. So look on your formula sheet. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And again, we always try to find the height for a prism. And it's also important to know this H right here and this H are not the same thing. The purple H right here is the height of your base. The green H is the height of your prism. So they're two different H's. So you have to also keep that in mind. So the base of our base, the bottom of that triangle is 15. And we already circled it. The height of our base is 10. And again, all you have to do is just plug that into your calculator. And we get 75. Make sure you label, in this case it's meters cubed, because we are dealing with volume. It is always cubed when finding volume. Again, that is not our answer, that's just the area of our base. to go ahead, you have to find your h, which again is that third number you have not used yet. We already multiplied 10, we already multiplied 15, so our height is going to be 19. We have our two pieces. Plug it into the equation formula. 75 times 19. Can we do 75 times 19? Nope. We get 1,425. This is meters cubed. That other one, I don't know what I was thinking. That would be area, so that would be meters squared. But we're really not concerned about labeling that part. Sorry about that. So there is the volume of that prism. And if you need to pause or replay this problem, I'm going to go ahead and move on to number 3. I'm going to erase a little bit of problem number 2, so again, if you need to write more stuff down, I'm going to erase in 1, 2, 3, I'm going to pause. Okay. We take a look at number 3 again. You're going to identify that shape. And that shape is a cylinder because there's a circle in the top and a circle in the bottom. So it's like a can, so it's a cylinder. Look off your formula sheet, write down the formula for volume of a cylinder. Volume is pi r squared times the height for a cylinder. Again, label your two pieces, the radius and the height. Well, here it gave us our diameter. All the way across is your diameter. So your radius would just be half of that, which is 6. Your height is the kind of the up and down part of your cylinder. So in this case, our height is 15. Plug in your pieces. So plug those values into your calculator. So we have pi times our radius squared times our height. Whenever we're finding volume of a cylinder, or any kind of volume that has pi in it, we always want to leave it in terms of pi, unless it's a real-world problem and we need a round. In this case, it's not. We want to leave our answer in terms of pi. So you just want to plug in the numbers. Don't include pi in your answer. Okay? You're just going to do 6 squared times 13 in your calculator. So when you do 6 squared times 13, you can get 468. Make sure you drop down pi and label your answer p cubed. Done. You need to rewatch the video. If not, try problems 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Again, they are on the back, and if you are finished, check your answers with the key.